Buttermilk is a fermented dairy drink. Traditionally, it was the liquid left behind after churning butter out of cultured cream. As most modern butter is not made with cultured cream but sweet cream, uncultured, most modern buttermilk is cultured. Benefits: Buttermilk is effective in improving bone health. Dairy products are an excellent source of calcium which help in bones and teeth formation. Calcium is also a critical mineral in the body as it helps in maintaining signaling systems in the blood. Buttermilk helps in gut health. The bacteria added to buttermilk act as probiotics. These help improve the digestive system health by repopulating the stomach with good bacteria needed for digestion. Buttermilk is effective in providing more energy. The high levels of riboflavin makes it possible for the body to produce more energy. It also helps in regulating the body's amino acids. Buttermilk is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. High-fat versions are also rich in vitamin K2. These nutrients are important for maintaining bone strength and preventing degenerative bone diseases such as osteoporosis, which is important since many people have a deficient consumption of these nutrients. Buttermilk can have anti-inflammatory effects on the skin cells lining the mouth because they are rich in calcium. The presence of calcium in these foods is associated with a significant reduction in periodontitis. This can be particularly helpful for people with oral inflammation as a result of radiation therapy, chemotherapy, or Crohn's disease. Buttermilk is a fermented dairy product. Most commonly, it is cultured. This means that there has been beneficial bacteria added to it. There is lactic acid in buttermilk which can make it easier for its lactose content to be digested, making buttermilk a good choice when baking for people who are lactose intolerant. Buttermilk is a good source of phosphorus, calcium, both important for supporting healthy bones and preventing against osteoporosis. Possible side effects: those individuals who are allergic rather than intolerant to milk should take caution in consuming buttermilk as it contains lactose. Buttermilk can contain good amounts of sodium, so it is important to check the nutrition label if you need to limit your sodium intake. Consuming too much sodium is associated with an increased risk of high blood pressure, especially among individuals who are salt sensitive, and high blood pressure is a risk factor for heart disease. Low-fat buttermilk often contains even more sodium than high-fat versions. Buttermilk contains lactose, a natural sugar that many people are intolerant of. Although buttermilk appears to be more easily digested by some people with lactose intolerance, many people still be sensitive to its lactose content. Symptoms of lactose intolerance include stomach pain, diarrhea, and gas. Individuals who have dairy allergies should be very cautious when considering adding buttermilk into the diet as it may also trigger allergic reactions. Quantity recommendations: it is recommended that one consumes 2 small glasses of buttermilk in a day. This will help to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in individuals with high cholesterol levels. Despite having nutrients, my recommendation is not to consume buttermilk in large amounts. You can use it in some daily preparations/meals, but if possible reduce consumption. If consumed daily, only 1 cup a day. If tolerant to dairy, buttermilk is an excellent way to switch up and add variety to a healthy diet. Buttermilk is a great source of vitamins and minerals that support a variety of health benefits for the bones, heart, as well as oral health.